I think it's working now. So, it's live. We're live. Yvette's going to do some sharing. So while she's doing some sharing, I'll just tell you, before I start the show, it's thank you for coming. I'm going to start the show in just a moment. And you can see lots of YouTubes on the Bubbly Maths YouTube channel after the show, like in about an hour. The links will be below. And there's activities that you can do with your family. We've got links to those. We've got YouTubes we've made of those on the Maths Toys YouTube. And we're sharing links from Aiming High where they make some great activities you can do at home and totally enjoy. Hi, Jan, my friend from Poland. Now, he is a real maths engagement. Oh, he makes such amazing things with paper, bits of card and paper. So fantastic. So as soon as we've got our shares going, which Yvette is taking care of, I'm going to start the show. Hi, Mark. Hi, Leo. Hi, Mark. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Leo. Well, I'm saying hi, Mark. I'm saying hi, Mark. Hi, Daddy. But actually, I don't see that Leo's on. Oh, I've got lots of hearts from Mark. He's my grandson's daddy. And what have we got going? Have we nearly got it? And then we'll start the show. I'm so excited. Is Leo on yet? Oh, Gordon's on. If I've made any typos or I make any mistakes, Gordon will make sure that I know about it so that I learn from my mistakes and I do it better next time. I love making mistakes. Well, you know, if I make mistakes, I love learning from them. And that is the key to a great mathematician. You don't have to be good at maths. You just have to love learning from your mistakes and love learning in general. Oh, I'm getting loads, millions of hearts. Now, Daddy, can you please make sure Leo's on because I don't see him on here. Yeah, Leo's on. Hello, we've got Leo's mummy and Leo. Yes, oops. This show is dedicated to you. Now, as soon as the sharing's finished, we've got to share on the other things. Lots and lots of sharing. Going to start the show. I'm very excited. Soon. So, do follow us on, subscribe on YouTube. The links will be down below. After about an hour or so, I'm going to spend some time with my grandson straight after the show. And then after that, I will put all the links and whatnot on. Won't let you watch. Oh dear. Okay. Hiya. This is my grandson's on. I'm so excited now. He's in Spain. His daddy's in America. His mummy's in Spain with him. Thank goodness. And I'm in the UK. And my friend Anne is in Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. She's on as well. And we're nearly ready to start. Nearly ready.
Yeah, good.
Thank you so much. This is the lovely Yvette. Thank you so much. Sorting us out. Doing the technology. All right, we're ready to go. Hello everyone, my name is Bubbles. So I know some of you think my name's Caroline, and it is, but not when I'm looking like this. So here again, hello everyone, my name is Bubbles. And now you can do what I do, say, hello Bubbles. And I'm going to teach you one more thing before we start. Do this. That is clapping in bubbly language. And if you clap like that, then I'll know you're clapping and I can see you clapping. It's like telly, I have to pretend that I can see you clapping. Right, you ready? So, what do? I make maths fun. What do I make maths fun? You can do it. Say, I make maths fun. That's it. And I do it doing silly things like this. Put up a pinky like this, that little finger. Give it a massage. Give it some exercise like that. And say 1 meter. 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 Give ourselves a bubbly clap. At least we've got a bit of exercise there. Now, I've got a meter right here in my pocket. So I've measured a meter. I'm a meter from my shoulder all the way to the end of my thumb. So that is a meter. It doesn't matter, that length is a meter. Now if you're little, like my grandson Leo, you put both arms out like that, both of them all the way out. That will be a meter from the end of one hand to the end of the other hand, or maybe a bit less, but it's going to be about 1 metre. So I've got 1 metre right here in my pocket like that. There you go. Ow! Ow! Oh, I know. It's a balloon. Let me inflate it. Here we go. It's not working. Oh, turn it around. Oh, of course, thank you. I need all the help I can get. Okay, here we go. It's still not working. Turn around. Okay, I'll turn around, all right. Here we go. No, still not working. Sorry? Oh, it's upside down. Are you serious? You actually think I can do this? Okay, here we go. That's far too difficult. Really? Oh! Silly Bubbles, silly me, of course. It's upside down. Oh, that's the right end to blow into. Okay, here we go. I can do this. Now, nobody else is going to touch this after I've blown into it, okay? Ready? Whoa, this is hot work. Whoa, this is a lot harder than I thought. Ooh, is anybody else hot? Oh, here we go. Give it another go. If at first you don't succeed, keep going. Perseverance and determination. Here we go. Whoa, it's really... Oh, I've got a great idea. That's much better. Oh, that's better. Sorry? Oh, whoa, you guys rock. Thank you very much. I need all the help I can get. Here we go. I'm going to inflate it using it. Yeah, this is much better now, isn't it? Where did it go? Oh, it's on the floor over there. Okay, all right, okay. Fine. Here we go. Did you know that I don't make mistakes? No, I don't. I don't make mistakes because I make magnificent mistakes that I learn from. See? So if I make a mistake that at first makes me feel sad, going, oh, made a mistake. Then what I do is the next thing I do is I ask myself a question. I go, Bubbles, what did I learn? And then I think, oh, what I learnt was to hold the balloon on the pump, and then I feel all better and happy, and I can give myself a big bubbly clap because I learnt something. Hi, Alison. Right, now hold the balloon on the pump. Right, now we need to make the balloon 1 meter long. So it wants to be as goes from my shoulder to the end of my thumb. You ready? Here we go. Now let me know when you think, tell me to stop, when you think the balloon is 1, woo, here we go, over here, 1 meter, oh dear, oh dear, oh, I better stop, I'm going to turn it round here a little bit. I better stop, because if I don't stop, the balloon's going to pop. I don't like popping noises, so we're going to stop there. Right, let's measure it. All together, 1 meter. Let me measure it again. Maybe I didn't get it right. Hold on. All together, 1 meter. I think it's a bit too long. Should we make it a bit shorter? Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see if it's the right length now. All together, 1 meter. Still too long. Let's make it shorter. You ready? Right, let me see if we've got it right now. Remember, I'm 1 meter from my shoulder to the end of my thumb. If it reaches the end of my thumb, then we've got the right length. All together, 1. Has it got to the end of my thumb? Is it in the right place there? Yes! I think we have it. All together, 1 meter. Yes! Oops. Oh dear. You know what, it's just as well. I prepared one earlier. Here we go, we've got a meter right here. Do you know, I was wondering, why don't you look around the room and just look at your room, the room that you're in, and think, how many meters do you think it is from one wall to another wall? So if you walk along, boom, ba-boom, ba-boom, bye. I'm going to a wall over here, or maybe a wall over here. I'm going to see how many meters do I think it is from here all the way to the other wall over there. Woo! Ooh. Okay, maybe I should go sideways from this wall over here all the way to this wall over here. I'm going to shoot it back past you again. See if I can shoot it past the camera. You ready? It's going to come. Get ready. It's coming. Woo! Oh, missed it. There it is. How many meters do you think it is? Well, I'm going to think mine is about, how many do you think it is? Tell the person with you how many meters you think it is. How many do you think it is, Leo? Hi, Rachada. Well, I'm going to now, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get out my measuring balloons. With my, oh boy. With my measuring balloons, and you can make measuring balloons. It doesn't have to be balloons. You can use other things. You can use string and then tie a knot, boing, at every point where you have a meter, and then make longer string and then tie a knot, boing, and then you can get someone to hold a string at one end of the room, and then you can take it all the way along the room. 1, 2, 3. Well, you can't really see it there, but mine stops at the end of this balloon. So we don't need this one here. We don't need that one at all. Oh! Oops. So mine was 1, 2, 3, and 4 balloons wide. And each balloon is, let's measure it, 1 meter. So each balloon is 1 meter. So that's 1 meter. 2 meters, 3 meters, and 4 meters. That's my room. Now, after the show, maybe you can measure your room. Use a piece of string and tie knots, or use a measuring tape, or even a ruler you could use, but that might take a little bit longer. So that's how you can measure your room. We've got one last thing to do before the bubbles. So it'll be bubble time in just a minute. Right, here we go. Now, I've got over here, are you ready? I hope you're ready, because I'm not. Okay, right, here we go. No pressure. And, oh. 1 tripod, 2 tripods, 3 tripods, and 4 tripods. I'm sure that's not what I had in mind. I'm going to have to make what I had in mind. What do you think I'm making? What do you think? Let me see, I've got 1 tripod. This is going to be interesting. Oh boy. What do you think I'm making? And yes, if you say I'm making a balloon, 100%, absolutely, I am making a balloon. Well, I'm making a shape out of lots of balloons. Here we go. I wonder what shape I'm making. Hey, here we go. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Hey. Oh, this is interesting. There's a tripod missing. Where's my missing tripod? Oh, over here. Right, got a missing tripod over here. Now we've got lots of tripods. Now it's even more complicated. Have I got what I need here? Oh boy, I don't know if I do or not. Let me see. That goes there. Oh no, yes, that goes there. That goes there. This is complicated. Oh boy, what do you think I'm making? What do you think I'm making? Oh my goodness. What do you think I'm making? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Oh my goodness, this end has gone in the bubble juice. It's all sloppy and slippery and soapy. My goodness, what do you think I'm making? What do you think? I don't know what I'm making right now. I don't know if I got it right or not. Oh my goodness, if I haven't done it right, I'm in big trouble. Here we go. Wonder what I'm making. Hi, Julia. Right, what do I think I'm making? Oh my goodness. Oh, I found one. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I found the soapy bit. Ugh. Here we go. Okay, it's a bit there, and a bit down there, and a bit over here, and a bit there. Oh, I've lost. Oh, I think I've got it. I do believe, oh dear. I do believe I have it. I have it. What do you think I've made? Can I get far enough back in this tiny little flat in the middle of London? Way! Can you see? Oh, you can only just see. Let me see if I can get even further back. Can I get even further back without breaking it? I think I'll stop now. Oh dear. Don't want to break anything. Right. I have to stop there. You're going to have to use your imagination. What I'll do is see if I can get a photo of it and put it on later so you can really see. But it is, all the faces are made of squares and it's called a cube. And every edge is 1 metre. See, my thumb gets the end there. Whoops, my thumb gets the end there. It's 1 metre long. So it's not just a cube, it's a 1 metre cube. And it's also my house. I do like my house being a metre cube. I could put a roof on it and that would be fun too. So we'll put a picture of that on afterwards so you can see the full size metre cube, but whoa, without breaking anything else. Put that down there. And you know what? Oh, here's a house that I made this morning for the 3 to 5 year olds. Can you see the cube down the bottom there? I'll put it on my head and then you see it. It's a cube with a roof and a bit on top, and that's what I make for the littlies. For the young ones, it's we do some counting down and we go to the moon and stuff. Right. It's bubble time. Now, let me see if we can get this to the right height, because the plan was to use the computer and that's not going to work. So let me just move these things around because it's bubble time. What time is it? Yeah, it's bubble time. Here we go. Right, and now we need to move this lamp as well so we can see what we're doing. Get some nice light on there. La-di-da. Da-dee-dee-dee. Da-da-da-dee. We're ready. I think we're ready. I hope we're ready. Oh. I've got to put my gloves on first before I move that over there. Let me get my gloves on. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. All right. Is that about the longest glove you've ever seen? Ooh. Yes. Lovely. And in my other pocket, I've got, woohoo, another glove. I do like my gloves. They make it much easier to make bubbles. Oh. Wait, what was I thinking? Before I move this chair and move the lamp, I can move the lamp over here and shine it on the bubbles. Hopefully it'll come out. So now I've got to do the bubbles here or there, or maybe put that further away so you can see more of the bubbles. That's it. We were doing it that way on Zoom, but Zoom didn't work. Too many people. Oh, Annabelle's on. Leo, Annabelle's on. And Susie Sheep. Hello. Oh my goodness, I've got Leo and Annabelle and Susie Sheep and Daddy and Mummy and everybody else. This is heaven. Hello. Right. Okay, now, where are we? We've got to move that away. Otherwise it pops the bubbles. They do say never turn your back to your audience. And what did I just do? Let me see. I think we might take this off as well because I don't want that to pop the bubbles. Now, what have I got here? I've got, nothing. That's not very good. I've got, ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness, that is a long piece of string. I think it's too long. I think it's too long. We're going to make it shorter. We're going to make it half as long, and then half as long again, and then we're going to make it half as long again. Hi Leo and Annabelle. Hello. Right, and I hope there's other, I don't know if you've got other children watching, please type their names on, because I know about Annabelle and Leo, but I don't know what everybody else's name is. But we're going to make a bubble this size. Okay, you ready? Oh, ew, look at this. Ew, slimy. Ooh, look. I'm like a frog. Or a duck. Anyway, let's make a bubble. Let's make a bubble. Ready? Ooh. Do you see that? That's a bubble. And what else is it? It's called a sphere. It's a s like a sausage and a f like a fox ear. Sphere. Oh, well, it isn't a sphere anymore. Should we make another one? Here we go. Here comes a sphere. Oh, well, that wasn't very good. And here we go. Way. There we go. Lovely sphere. So how big is it? Wrap your hands around. Pretend you're holding my sphere. And wrap your hands around it like that and say sphere. There we go. Oh, now I've got 2 spheres. I wonder if I can make more. Oh, now I've got 1 sphere. Oh, now I've got, oh, I made 3 spheres. Oh, now, oh dear. Right, here we go. 2 spheres. Lovely. Now I'm going to double the length of the string. Double the length. So how long do you think the sphere is going to be now? Now, this string is, for the older ones watching, is about 25 centimetres long, just so as you know. So that means that before it was 12.5 centimetres long. And now we're going to see how big. I want you to show me with your hands. How big do you think the sphere is going to be? And say sphere, 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 sphere. There you go. 25 centimetre sphere. Da-dee-dum. Ew, it really is quite gucky. Ugh. Here we go. You ready? Wow. Wait. Oh, it nearly hit me. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Wrap your hands around it. So that's it was a 25. Let's make another one. Here we go. Make another one. See if I can catch it. Now I can see if I can blow some bubbles into it. Oh. We've got lots of spheres now, lots of baby ones. They're much smaller. Right, here we go. And now we're going to double the length of the sphere. The string, we're doubling the length of the string. So the sphere is going to be bigger. Here we go. Whoopsie. The sphere is going to be bigger. And this is now double 25 centimetres. Who can say how long double 25 centimetres is? And I'm going to say it, nobody's actually commented on that one. 50 centimetres, which is also how much of a metre? We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's make the bubble. Let's make the sphere. So exciting. Here we go. 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 Whoa. Wow. Oh, oh, can I catch it? Oh, no, it's too close to me there. I'm going to have to be more nimble. I'm going to catch that one. I've got to be more nimble. You ready? See if I can catch it. See if I can. Whoa, look at the size of that sphere. One more go. Perseverance and determination. Let's see if I can catch the sphere. Here we go. One more time. Whoops. Make my hands nice and wet. One more time. Perseverance and deter... Well, that was rubbish. One more time. Ready? Perseverance and determination. See if I can catch the sphere. Ooh, here we go. Caught the sphere. There you go. How big is it? Wrap your hands around it. This was made with a 50... There you go. I can pretend it's still there. 50 centimetre string. And now... we're going to... 50 centimetre string, which is also... half a metre, which is half the distance from my shoulder to the end of my my thumb. Right, let's have a look. I'm now going to double the length of my string. If I'm doubling 50 centimetres or doubling half a metre, if I have 2 halves of something, 2 halves of a pizza or 2 halves of a cake, how much of a cake have I got? I've got a whole cake, or a whole pizza, or a whole metre. Now we're going to make it a proper name for this, okay? Let me first of all double check it is a metre, okay? I'm going to be a little bit, half a bit out of shot. It's all together say 1 metre. And does it reach the end of my thumb? Whoops, there, does it? Yes. In that case, it's a metre. And what we're going to say is it's a 1, all together, 1 metre swirl. You ready? Let's do that again. You ready? All together. Hi Seth, how are you doing? It's a 1 metre swirl. The question is, can I make a metre swirl? What do you think? You think I can? Seth isn't impressed. Do you think I can do it? Let's have a look. See if I can. See if I can make a 1 metre swirl. Ready? Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm not even going to go anywhere near catch it. Shall I make another one? One more like that. Here we go. We're going to go the other way. See if that looks any better or flies any better. Whoa. Whoa. Way. Here we go. They all go that way. I don't know why. There we go. Bye-bye, sphere. Right. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a... There we go. There's a towel. There's a towel there. I'm going to make a square bubble. Are you ready for a square bubble? I think I'm going to put... Wait a minute. I'm going to move the buckets first. Keep the technology away from the bubbles. It's always a good plan. Hoppa! Yeah. There we go. And now we're going to take the cube. That's the shape I was standing inside before, only the other one was much bigger. It's a bigger scale. This one's maybe 10 centimetres in edge length, and that one's 100 centimetres. So that's 10 times as long. Each edge length is 10 times. That's a lot of times. Hi, Julia. Oh, thank you, Julia. One more thing, Julia. Right, here we go. I'm going to bring you over here, and then bring this over here, and then we're going to bring the light over there, and then hopefully you're going to be able to see that there. How's we doing? We're not doing too badly. Going to bring the light over here, shine it down from above. We don't want that shiny light. My hat's about to fall into the drink. We don't want that shiny light so close. Nice, maybe over here. There we go. That's probably better. How's that? Is that going to work? Let's go and find out. Let's see what's going to happen. First of all, we're going to have a look at the cube. We're going to see how many faces it's got. It's got how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's see what happens in those 6 faces. What's going to happen to the bubble? What do you think it's going to look like? Let's find out. Wow. Look at that bubble inside. And you know what? If I make that one wet and hold it with that hand, look what happens. If I pop that, but it's not a hole in the middle. Watch what happens if I pop it. If I can. Oh, yes, look at that. Can you see? It's like a tunnel. It's a tunnel through the middle. I can put my hand all the way through. I can put my hand all the way through the tunnel. Oh, I can even look at you. Hey. Woo, there goes my hat. Hello. Ooh, wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Now, what about if I catch a bubble? What shape is a bubble? We know what shape a bubble is. The bubble is a sphere. Yeah, it is. Here we go. Let's make a sphere. Wait a minute. That's not a sphere. A sphere doesn't have any edges or pointy bits. It doesn't have any vertices. That's not a sphere. You know what that is? That's a cubic bubble. And it's not a cube because a cube has straight edges and flat faces and it's made up of squares. And that shape is not a square because it doesn't have any straight edges. It's got curvy edges and the faces are domes. They're called a dome of a sphere. They're curvy faces, curvy edges, and it's called a cubic bubble. It's like a cube, but it's not. But we like spheres as well, don't we? Let's have a look at the sphere. See if we can do it. 3, 2, 1. Whoop, didn't work. Let's do it a different way. Let's catch a bubble. Whoopsie. Oh, that's interesting. The phone has fallen down. Right, here we go. With my lovely safety gloves. There we go. Let's do it differently. Let's see if we can create a sphere from a cubic bubble. So basically we're releasing the sphere. We are setting the sphere free. Get rid of that one. 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 Just got one more to set the sphere free. What shape is it going to be? It's going to be, let's come up here. It's going to be a whee. Now see if we can actually manage also to get the sphere to stay on the surface. If I do it in just the right place, we might have a hemisphere on the surface. Let's see if I can do it. Get it into, oh, there it is. Oh, no, it didn't last. But if you blow a bubble on the surface of your bath water, you make half a sphere, which is called a hemisphere. So I'm now going to say, whoops, here we go. There we go. I'm going to say, goodbye, everybody. Thank you for coming. I'm going to give you a big bubbly clap. And you can say to me, goodbye, Bubbles. Thank you. And give me a big bubbly clap. And I know I didn't see anybody else's name on here apart from grown-ups. Hi, Laura. I've just seen you. Oh, thank you, Laura. I'm going to say, I know that Annabelle and Leo are watching, so I'm going to say, goodbye, Annabelle, goodbye, Leo, and goodbye, all the other children that are watching. And it'll be on here and it'll be on YouTube, so feel free to share it. Thank you so much. And please do visit our YouTube channel. All the links will be, we've got lots and lots of activities going on. Thank you so much for joining us, Julia, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. I don't know if this is going to work with my glove on. Oh, does it work? Right, take the glove off. Whoop. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Anne. Oh, thank you, Seth. Bye-bye.